video. Now we will learn further after the transversal line. Now the next thing is angle. A figure formed by joining two rays at their common end points. Means whenever two rays join together at a common point, that forms a figure is called an angle. Now there is two or three things which are very important in an angle. First is vertex, the common point in the angle where the two rays joined together. That point, that meeting point is called vertex. So how we will write it? Vertex of this angle is point S. You have to mention the word point with the name or letter of the vertex. Now angle has another property is its arm. Now there are two rays, that means every angle has at least two arms. So here first arm is ST and second arm is SP. Now you can see here, if I am writing the arm name ST, I will write or draw a symbol of ray which shows that ST is a ray. That means the arm of an angle is ray ST and ray SP, and there is the angle. Now symbol of angle is like this, slanted L, and I can write here TSP, the name of angle, or S. The only vertex I can write with the symbol of angle. It also shows that S is the angle because here is the angle. This section is called an angle, or I can write the full name TSP or PST. Now it is very important, students, that if I am writing the name of arms of an angle, I will show this symbol as well. And if I am writing of the name of a vertex, I have to write point P, point S, point O, whatever the name of the vertex, I have to write with the point word. Now further we will study about types of angles. First is acute angle, second is right angle, next is obtuse angle. But there is one angle as well before the acute where I haven't mentioned here, and that is zero angle. जैसे इसका नाम है zero angle, that shows that the measurement of the angle is 0 degree. That is why the name of the angle is zero angle. Now majorly we will study from the acute angle, so that is why I haven't mentioned here zero angle. So first is your acute angle. Now what is acute angle? Measurement of an angle lies between 0 to 90 degree. That every angle is your acute angle. Here I have the example of this is angle POB. This is the 60 degree angle. Now 60 lies between 0 to 90 degree. That is why this angle is your acute angle. Now what is right angle? Measurement of any angle is 90 degree. When the measurement of any angle is exact 90 degree, that angle is your right angle. Now we will not draw the symbol of the angle is like this. We will not draw like this, never. In the right angle we always make a small square at the vertex, which shows that it is the right angle. If I will not write the name of right angle, if I will not write the measurement of the angle, anyone by watching this small square at the vertex in this figure MAN, anyone can say that it is a figure of right angle who knows about the properties of right angle. So angle MAN is your 90-degree angle, that is why it is called right angle. Now what is obtuse angle? When the measurement of any angle lies between 90 to 180. जब right angle से straight angle 180 डिग्री एंगल्स के बीच का कोई भी एंगल होगा, मिड में कोई भी एंगल आएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. सो आई हैव द एग्जाम्पल हेयर, एंगल AOC have the measurement is 120 degree, so it is your obtuse angle. अब मैंने एक वर्ड मेंशन किया था अभी जस्ट बिफोर फ्यू सेकेंड्स while teaching about obtuse angle, straight angle. So what is straight angle? When the exact measurement of any angle is 180 degree, that angle is your straight angle. It always be on a straight line. This completes the half circle or the semicircle which made your 180 degree angle on angle MOP. This straight line is also your an angle. It's a straight angle, and we will write like this. Angle, symbol of the angle MOP is equals to 180 degree. Now reflex angle. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल में हमारे एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री से 360 डिग्री के मिड में होना चाहिए. जब हमारा कोई भी एंगल 180 एंड 360 डिग्री के मिड में होता है, तब हमारा वो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल बनता है. एग्जाम्पल है यहाँ पर एंगल TPS. Now you can see that every angle which we are drawing till now, like in acute angle, right angle, or in obtuse angle also, angles are we are making inside the vertex or inside the arms. But in the reflex angle we can see that angle is outside the arms. मीन्स जो हमारा वर्टेक्स है उसके आउटसाइड पोर्शन में हमारा रिफ्लेक्स एंगल बनता है. नेक्स्ट इज कंप्लीट एंगल. व्हाट इज कंप्लीट एंगल? व्हेन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ एनी एंगल इज 360 degree, a complete round or a circle, that is called 360 degree angle or complete angle. Where suppose from AQ we start to draw an angle, and we started drawing and where we have finished it at AP, means from the point where we have started we ended it there only. So that completes the whole round or a circle. That is your complete angle, which made the 360 degree angle. So here what is the name of angle? Angle QAP or PAQ. And among these two you can write any one, and the measurement of the angle is 360 degree. Now there is one important thing in the angles. While writing the measurement of an angle, students generally do a mistake. Is what? While writing the measurement of any angle, what they will write only 90. If you will write only 90, that will not considered as the measurement of angle. but if you will write 90 and there is a small point over the 0, this shows the symbol of degree. This point is shows the symbol of degree. So if you wants to write like 165 degree angle, you have to write 165 and there is a small point over the top of 5, which shows that it is the measurement of any angle. So now we can say that any angle is the having the measurement of 165 degree. So it's better that while reading the measurements of an angle, you have to write or you have to remind again and again the word degree, so that you will not going to forget it, that yes, you have to write the symbol of degree while writing the measurement of an angle. Thank you very much, students. Further we will continue in the next video.